Have you ever wanted to visit a city that feels like stepping straight into a living work of art? Well, let me take you on a stunning virtual journey to Antwerp, Belgium, a city that's bursting with style, history, and that irresistible European energy. Now picture this. You're walking along cobblestone streets, surrounded by medieval guild houses and jaw-dropping cathedrals. The air smells like fresh waffles and the sound of bike bells fills the air. This is Antwerp, the diamond capital of the world, and honestly, a hidden gem for travelers like you. Let's kick things off at the heart of the city, the Grote Markt. It's a jaw-dropping square lined with ornate buildings and gold-tipped statues. If you look closely, you'll see the Brabo fountain telling the city's legendary tale, where a Roman soldier slays a giant by tossing his hand into the river. It's mythical, it's dramatic, and it's oh so Antwerp. But Antwerp isn't just about legends. This city pulses with creativity. Head over to the Museum Anderstroom. Its modern red sandstone architecture stands out against the old town, and inside you'll find stories about Antwerp's global connections. From maritime treasures to local street art, every corner here inspires curiosity. Now, if you're into fashion, you'll fall in love with the city's style. The Antwerp Six, a group of world-famous designers